Hello everyone, good afternoon. Here's Savita. Welcome to my channel. The maple tree is to get pruned. I will be taking off some branches. I would like some sunshine going through from the west to my pond area. So I would like to cut off some branches, and form the maple tree a little. And then I will try to clean up the shade garden. So I'll go and get my tools now and start cutting off some branches. Now that I pruned the maple tree, I would like to finish up here. Just clean up the shade garden. These are the branches that I just cut off from the maple tree. And I will now continue to clean up the shade garden under the maple tree. I will still have to cut the branches into smaller pieces and keep the ones that I can use to make fire, and the rest I will be shredding. I don't know if this plant here is a weed or not. My husband has an app to identify plants, so I'll ask him to identify this one. I'm pretty sure it's a weed, but I always wait until I'm sure, because sometimes I get new plants from, I don't know, the wind, from the birds, and it's always nice to have some new plants that I didn't buy. But I'm just like I said, I'm pretty sure it's a weed. That's it for today. It looks good here now. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye now. Have a nice day.